I know you've been experiencing the reduction in image quality whenever you upload on WhatsApp status. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you the perfect way to upload to your WhatsApp status, whether video or pictures, and still retain the same quality. Now, if you want to upload on your WhatsApp status, don't just come to status and don't just come here, click on updates and then post. No, the quality will reduce and it will reduce very low. So if you want to upload on WhatsApp status, the first thing you have to do is come over here where you message yourself, then click on this place, then do as if you want to message yourself. Then if you want to post maybe a picture or a video, you can send it first to yourself. So let's take for instance, I want to upload an image on my status. So the first thing I'll do is I'll not just upload it on my WhatsApp status direct. I'll first of all go to, so before sending it to yourself, I'll first of all come here, click on these three dots, click on settings, then scroll up until I see storage and data. So click on storage and data, then make sure your media upload quality, make sure it's in HD quality. So you see standard quality and HD quality. So if your own is in standard quality, change it to HD quality and then click on save. Now don't upload straight to your WhatsApp status. First of all, do as if you want to message yourself. Then that particular picture or video you want to post on your status, you first of all send it to yourself as HD. So let me select a picture. This is one of my picture. So I'll click on this picture and I'll make sure this HD is turned on. So you can see the HD is turned on. So if you want to add a write-up, you can still add. So maybe I can just write Happy New Week or something like that. Happy New Week. Then I can send it to myself. You can see it, I've sent the image to myself in HD quality. So the quality is now very sharp and the quality is now the way it was. So you can see it, I sent it to myself as HD. So after that, you click on this arrow here, click on this arrow and then select status, then click on this upload, and that is all. So come to your status and check it. So let's wait for it to upload. Now this is it. You can see how sharp the image is. So now let me upload the image direct and show you the difference. So this is the image. I think this is it. So let me upload it direct and show you a very big difference. So now this first one was the one I uploaded, I sent to myself first before uploading, and this second one was the one I uploaded direct. So click on this. You can see the quality, you can see the details, and everything is very sharp. Now you can see the second one. So the quality reduced and the difference is very, very much. So this is just the perfect way to upload on your WhatsApp status. If you want to upload video, it's still the same thing. Click on here as if you want to message yourself. Then select a video you want to upload, maybe your flyer design, and you can add a write-up if you want to. Then click on share and upload to your WhatsApp status. So that is the easiest and simplest way to upload HD quality images on your WhatsApp status without losing its quality. So try this out and let me know if it works for you. I'll see you on the next one.